Hey everyone, real quick. Of course, I forget this when I'm recording all the lymphatic organs, but here we have a model of the ileum. How do I know it's the ileum? Well, one, I know it's the intestines because I see these finger-like projections. These are villi. You can see the simple columnar epithelium. You've got these blood vessels, these capillaries. Those are fenestrated capillaries because we are in the intestines, and they have fenestrated capillaries. You can see more layers here that we haven't quite yet discussed, but this would be this is the mucosa, you've got the submucosa, and then you've got muscle layers, smooth muscle layers. One thing that gives this away that this is the ileum is this cluster right here. This is a lymphoid follicle. This is a Peyer's patch. The Peyer's patches are only found in the ileum. Peyer's patches, you can see the darker, or this colored interior, that's supposed to represent the germinal center where lymphocytes can undergo mitosis, can proliferate. What you can also see here are of other lymph vessels. In red are arteries or arterioles, in blue are venules or veins, and you got capillaries too. But in green, that's representing lymph vessels. So you got lots of lymph vessels here, especially going into this lymphoid follicle, and you have lymph capillaries going into the villi. These lymph capillaries are called lacteals. They're special lymph capillaries to help absorb nutrients. The nutrients that go into lymph capillaries are usually fats, lipids. Most other nutrients go into your regular capillaries, blood capillaries, like glucose and amino acids. But lipids tend to be transported in lacteals into the lymphatic system. So that's another important function of the lymphatic system. All right, we'll return to the intestines later on, but this is focusing on the lymphatic aspect of the ileum, the Peyer's patches. Thanks for listening. Let me know if you have any questions.